Hello and welcome to DIY Tech Hub. Today I'm going to take you through all the various components, models, and accessories found in the Arduino Starter Kit. Let's go.
This is the kit. So as you can see, we have so many components inside. When you open it, the first thing that you see here is the solderless breadboard. This is what you use for prototyping. I mean, when you are trying to design a circuit, you can use this one to test whether it will work or not. Okay. You also have the 8S8 mattress display. This one is 7-segment display. This is a single digit. We also have 4 digits 7-segment display. And then when we go here, we have assortment of components. As you can see, this one is a push button. Here for your project. And then this one is light sensor. RDL, that is photoresistors. And then we have, this is vibration sensor. Okay. So when we come here, we have 2 of them. This one is piezo. We have 2 types, active and passive piezo. This one too is infrared remote sensor. This is what you use when you want to design something that can be controlled with a remote. So use this one. This one is 8-bit shift register. You can use this one to extend your Arduino pins. This is variable resistor. This is what you use for volume, anything that requires adjustment. You can use this one. And another 2 LDRs. This is passive piezo. So while you come here to, we have some assortment of resistors and LED. As you can see, we have red LED resistors, 220 ohm, 1K, so many LEDs that you can use for output. Okay, when you come to this side, this is RFID model. This one is our main Arduino model. This is the Arduino model. This one is rain sensor, water sensor. This one too is temperature and humidity sensor. This is motor driver. This is motor driver. There's 16 by 2 LCD display. We have mattress push buttons. Mattress push buttons. This is your remote. This is stepper motor. If you want to do robotics, maybe robot hand, all those things, you can use this motor to control it. This one too is a jack plug. When you want to connect a battery to the Arduino, you can use this one, a 9-volt battery, then the plug. This one too is RGB light. It produces 3 different kinds of light, red, green, and blue at the same time. Red time clock model. This is what you use for designing a clock or timer for your project. This is sound converter. It detects sound. If you are building a project that maybe when you clap your hands, a light will come on, you can use this as a sound detector. This is a relay. This is what you use to connect a 220 volts and AC to your Arduino. Let's assume that you want to control a fan or a TV or whatever. This one is AC. So use this one to interface with the Arduino. This is servo motor, used for controlling movement, robotics, and all those things. And this one is joystick. If your project, you are building a game, you can use this one as your controller. If you are building a game or a drone, this one can be used as your controller to move up, down, forward, whatever. And this is what we use to interface the Arduino to the computer. This is the USB and this is the Arduino port. And when you come here, we call this one jumper cables. This is what you use for connecting your models. If you want to test, use this one. And the last one is frame sensor to detect fire. If you want to detect fire, if your project requires a frame sensor, you can use this one. Okay, so that is all. Next time you are going to learn how to connect all these things to build projects. See you once again.